Walking beside this trailer, seeing it here off to the side, you might think this is a brand new trailer. This is a 1986 farm bed, or Eagle Bridge belt trailer. Now, farm bed was the name that we had before we became Trinity Trailer in the early 90s. But this trailer is a 1986. Let me show you what's from 1986 and what's brand new. We have a brand new kingpin, brand new bin, obviously, landing leg braces, all that's brand new. That landing leg over there is original, which is pretty cool. New chain and flap assembly. Looks like new electric harness, new tarp. Now here's something that's original. This is an oil gear pump, and this is the original electric motor from 1986. You have a push and pull to get more pressure out of that oil gear pump to get that load moving a little bit better. Brand new back door. The other original components are found in the suspension. So we've got the original leaf spring hutch suspension underneath there. How cool is that? There's a lot of value still to capture in these trailers. This is a great way to go if you want to get more life out of the trailer. So if you're interested in a rebin, we have all of that information on our website at trinitytrailer.com, or you can call us at 800-235-6577, and we can tell you more about what it looks like to get a rebin. 1986. Wow.